with sales today is no one grows up wanting to be a salesperson. You know, the famous question to the kindergartner, what do you want to be when you grow up? No one says, I want to be a salesman. People always kind of fall into sales. It's almost like I couldn't get this perception that sales is this backup profession. So the first thing I'd like to change, the perception is sales is a great profession. It's a noble profession if you do it right. And you can make a ton of money in sales. You really can if you do it the right way. Never stop being yourself. You don't sell products, you sell the problem the product solves, and the problem creates emotion. Emotion is what sells, not products. If you talk to a customer, you are in sales. I only schedule the installations. I'm not in sales. Yes, you are. I install the windows. I'm not in sales. Yes, you are. See, quite often in our sales world, we go in with this notion of, I've got to do these 10 things, and we forget all about the nonverbal stuff that's happening within us and within our customer. And when you do the right thing, and you choose to have a great legacy, the company you work for is the beneficiary of that. The company will get known for doing the right thing. The company will have a great legacy. But it all starts individually with each one of you. If you need help with sales, man, just give me a call. I'll be able to help you.